y'all, what's up? It's your girl So Sincere. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another maintenance vlog. So today is my little sister's prom and she said we had to come cute. So bitch, y'all already know how I do. I'm finna come cute. So I bought me a new synthetic wig. I'm gonna do my makeup, but before I do that, of course I gotta bathe my ass. So I'm in the shower just getting a little self-care in, and I use my Dove sensitive skin because nothing else is touching this. I don't know about y'all, but you're not supposed to be putting all those extra scents on your private areas. So anyways, I just use the Dove sensitive skin for my entire body, and once I'm done showering, I go back in with my exfoliation. And as y'all can see, this is a really good sugar scrub, and it even has extra oils and nutrients in it, and it just makes your body feel really soft and smooth. I love this exfoliation.
Trinity, you better be lucky I love your ass, cause and you better be lucky these birds was trying to come out anyway. But I'm tired. I just don't have no energy today. I've been staying up so late, y'all. I've been working on my new business venture, so I've been tired lately. I have not been able to sleep. I stopped smoking as much as I used to. So like normally at night I would smoke. That would just, put me straight to sleep. I'm trying to get out of that mindset. So I haven't really been smoking for the past couple of days, trying not to rely so heavily on a drug and just trying to, be on a natural high. But it's given. I need to go back to the drugs. I'm not gonna lie. I don't give a fuck. Like, I don't take no hard drugs. But baby, when it comes to a blunt, I'm a smoker. So I feel like I need one. But I've just been trying to gain like better control over my mind. And that was one of the things that I felt like was necessary to do in order to, accomplish that. So just so good. I really be using baby oil, but this is my money use. I ain't gonna lie. I like using this too. It keeps my skin basically soft. Oh, but this is what I was just saying, y'all. Your girl started waxing herself. Like, I meant to tell y'all that because I really need to do a video. I should have did it the first time I did it so y'all can get my reaction. But honestly speaking, when I go get waxes, it doesn't hurt to me anyway. So I'm not one of those people that like be doing the motion and screaming and stuff. But I'm not gonna lie, the first time that I did my wax, I fucked up. Like I fucked around and put too much wax on one part that had like a lot of hair, and yeah, it was a struggle, but honestly, it's easy and it saves so much money.
Alright, so before I get started, I'm about to go ahead and put this on. This is my outfit for today. Well, I'm probably not gonna wear this later when it's time to go get trend dressed, but I'm about to at least go ahead and put this on right now. So hopefully it go cute with the color of my hair. Let me show y'all. I got a synthetic wig. Because for one, I already know I'm not gonna keep this shit on. For two, I don't even wear wigs like that no more. Like I haven't worn a wig since my birthday, if I'm not mistaken, and even before that I wasn't really wearing them. But this is a cute little synthetic wig that I got from the beauty supply store, and it better do me right, cause the fuck I'm being mad as fuck. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't worn a synthetic wig in a minute. Like I said, I haven't been wearing wigs. I wasn't about to buy that $30 Ghost Bond glue. I went the cheap route. This shit was $11. So if you don't want to buy Ghost Bond or Boho, $11. I'm gonna tell y'all how it worked though, cause I don't know. I'm not gonna lie, I fucked up. I didn't get no tweezers, and I did not. Let me go see if I got some in my makeup since I did not bring no tweezers over here. I told y'all it's been a minute since I don't wear a wig. Hell, honestly, I'm forgetting this synthetic anyway. The way they did these damn tracks, probably really just need to, cause I'm not finna show that. That's a motherfucking track right there. Really, it's like a closure. I guess I really just need to more so plug this right. I guess I probably don't need no goddamn edges. Let me see. Looking for me, I already had straight backs from last week from the boy spring braids, so I just cut them. And that's another thing I didn't tell y'all is that I cut my hair, y'all. I cut it short as fuck. Like, I'm bald headed for real now. Like, I was bald headed at first, but now I'm really motherfucking bald headed. So all I gotta do is cut these hoes this motherfucking short. And y'all probably looking at me like, girl, what is you doing? But I promise y'all, my hair is short. Like, my hair is like, I cut my shit in literally a small little curly afro. So the perks of being a bald headed bitch. When it's time to take these braids out, baby, it ain't gonna take no time.
it so much more uncomfortable, so I just take it out. Anytime I feel like my wig is too loose, I just sew it down. Especially if it's a human hair wig. I'm not about to sew this down though, because it's synthetic. And before I forget, oh shit, this is the wig that I have. I'm gonna tell y'all how it is. Oh, I got it on sale too because this was a motherfucking display. Them hoes acting like they didn't have another. It was supposed to be $70. They had it down for $57. I made them mark it down a couple more dollars. And I'm cheap. Anybody who know me know I'm cheap. I'm gonna give me a deal or a discount anywhere I go. I don't care. Because one thing about it, I'm gonna get what I pay for. And I ain't paying no damn $57 for no damn wig off the shelf. They're the same people paying $57 to get it out the box in the bag. No. Little trick tip for y'all that don't know, because some people really don't know. Some people really let people sell them whatever and they go for whatever. Anytime you buy a wig off of the display, they need to give you a discount. If they like, don't try to go choose the wig off the display and say, oh, I want a discount. No, it don't work like that. But if that's all they got left, they have to accommodate. And if they don't want to, don't buy shit from them pussy asses, because it's a million beauty spot stores in the world. Always get what you pay for and always pay for what you get. Don't never pay for something that you're not getting. That's a waste of time, this shit. Let me see before I was gonna say this shit ain't picking nothing up. Let me see if any hair coming up. Alright y'all, this the even glue. Shit, it look like it melted pretty good to be honest. So like I said, now we just gotta see how it's gonna hold. Not feeling the fact that I can't pluck in front of it. I'm gonna have to go get me some sleeves just because I ain't with that shit. It's looking too, I don't know, it's looking too wiggy. Of course, like, you know, bitches be wearing wigs and shit, but it's like, goddamn, I ain't trying to walk around looking like nobody grandma. But on another note, you can't even see the fucking lace though. I still got the lace on. This, what is this? Organique. Okay, organic, shake and go. Y'all might have did something with this. Most synthetic wigs be, the lace be a little iffy, like, I was kind of scared about this color on my skin at first. When I first put the wig on, I was looking like a little, what is some things? The weed. I was looking like a little weed character. But it look better now. And I know it's gonna look even cuter once I get to put me on some eyebrows and stuff. Do a little face. Might got a little something. Oh, I was just gonna frontal because if I wanted to put it back. And honestly, I was tripping about it not being squeezed, but like this part don't really look that bad. It's up in here that I want to get. Hello. Hello.
Okay, bitch.
I thought the hoe said come cute. I thought the hoe said come up the park. Gotta do my makeup now. Trin on the way to get her dress.
Okay.
Say hey, Trin.
Your hair cute. Thank you.
Here go the prom girl, y'all.
I forgot to call you down with the carriage. Hold on, let me call you back.
Bitch.
What? Why you just called me 20 minutes?
Oh, okay. I was. Call me. I'm not putting on foundation because, as y'all can see, my skin is already clear as fuck. Pretty, very nice. I'm gonna just do a little bit of concealer, a little cute natural look. Nothing too much. Like that. Oh shit. This ain't gonna be in there. You see how I do it? It's not gonna be in there, stupid. Doing too much. Just tell me I wasn't important enough for you to remember me. My best bitches. Niggas know how to play. You know how to get this. Stop say that. Pussy niggas know how to play. Ain't going for nothing. I'm talking about, oh yeah, you. And then you gotta be on your P's and Q's over there. Them ghetto ass motherfuckers.
Okay. I'm not calling you for the rest of the watch. I'll call you for the rest of the day.
Girl, what you do? I'm not watching shit.
Okay, watch this.
Don't put it on God.
Alright, but just watch this.
Try this. You're dumb.
Hey, mommy. What you doing? Looking all pretty and stuff.
Girl, I look just like you. Let me show you. I put it on. I said, "Ooh, Latasha." Look.
That's cute.
Thank you. What you doing, Mom? I look good as fuck, y'all. I know y'all probably like, bitch, who that? I know I was looking rough when this video started, but baby, y'all could have never thought. This is the part I hate, to be honest, because I always be, I gotta walk into this shit. Bust down everything, what Drake said. Let me put the camera back low so y'all can see this. Cause bitch, who? I can't even dance. Got nothing but ass. Don't even know how to use it.